Hey, good day everyone. Check out this air stapler brad nailer here I have from WORKNEON. Let's check this thing out. Model number WB2302. All right, here's everything that came in the box. Got some safety glasses, safety goggles, got some oil, a couple Allen wrenches too, and the user manual. And then here's a look at the brad nailer itself. That's where the air goes, and when you want to use it, this pushes down like that, so you push that down on your workpiece and pull the trigger. And if it gets stuck or bound up or anything like that, you can pop this off of there and then even pop that out like that. And we'll go ahead and tighten that up. Now to change the brad nails, you just pop this out and you can put your brad nails and your staples right there and close it right there. So super easy, just push that button, that releases it, lock it back in once you refill it. And your oil goes right in there too. Just put a little bit of oil every time you use it. This gives all the different sizes here, you know, as far as the brad nails and the staples. And it actually comes with a few different sizes too. Here's a look at some of the staples that come with it. It comes with a little box, different sizes there. Those are the staples. These are the brad nails. So it comes with a few different sizes, lengths of brad nails too. So it's got some really long ones and of course some really short ones. So really all you do with those is you just pop them down there like that, and you can line them up all along there. These are some more that came in the box, so you can put them in there like that. So you can see I have a little short piece there, so not to worry if they're broken. They're not in these big long slabs. Just pop that in there. All right, got the air compressor all charged up and ready to go. So here's how to use this thing. Set it right on there, push it down and pull the trigger. So let's see how much these long ones will penetrate into here. And nice and quiet too. Listen to this. All the way in, those big long brad nails all the way in. This is exactly what I wanted. That's awesome, look at that. All right, so you know you can use these things too for repairing things like this. This is one that had already been brad nails and then brad nailed. But check it out, I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce this. All right, here we go. A little reinforcement here. Very nice. Right there as well. Okay, now we'll go ahead and change these brad nails out for the with the staples. And so I unplugged it just to make sure it didn't drive anything into my finger. If you release that, that'll let go of the last few it has in there too. Now we'll put our staples down in there. There's a little groove right there that it rides on. So just take it like that, put it like that. You know, like the brad nails will just ride on this one side. The staples go up and over that divider and just, there's the staple. And it barely penetrated right there, which would be perfect for if we wanted to go all the way through this, but not through the next piece. Let's do it on this piece right there. There's that nice staple all the way down through there. And you can go. Okay, let's see how it reacts with this scrap piece of laminate flooring, just kind of as an experiment. It's pretty thin, but it's also hard too. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this smallest size that came with the kit right in there. Just put a little bit in there for now. You're never gonna staple this laminate stuff down most of the time, so this is just an experiment on some thin stuff. And I got those small staples in there. Let's see how it does. Here we go. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Okay, let's see how it does through some plastic here. Just trying different materials. You know, that was some hard laminate. This is probably some softer plastic, but let's see how it does with this. I'm just gonna kind of gently stick it on there. That's really nice. Okay, and it's great. It goes through it, but it doesn't go all the way through it. It makes it so these two pieces stick to each other just fine. One of the nice things you can see here, it gives you a red line. That means you only have a few fasteners left in here, staples or brad nails. So it's kind of nice. It's your indicator right there. There we go. Overall, really happy with this brad nailer stapler. Gonna use it a lot. Great tool to have in the toolbox. Gonna use this a bunch and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, everybody.